Okay, what's up guys, it's your boy Tochi, and today we are live again on the ST show. I'll be introducing one of the best trader now from the East. He's currently now in Lagos, so his name is JayProfit. You'll get to meet him very soon.
What's up now?
Okay, what's up guys, it's your boy samueltochi, and we're back again on the ST show. Okay, and with me here is one of the best. Yeah, he just let me say he's just one of the best trader now, currently a supply and demand trader. I won't overhype him, so he gets to introduce himself to us. Okay boss, so welcome Mr. JayProfit. Okay, so how can we get to know you? Can we get to know you?
Alright, so my name is JayProfitFX. That's the name of my brand.
Okay.
And my real name is right?
Okay, wow.
So what I trade is supply and demand.
Yeah,
That's just what I have to say about it.
Okay, makes sense. So can you give us a little bit of background about how you got involved in into forex trading?
Alright, I got into forex trading, that was lately 2020, no, early 2020,
Okay.
right? Yeah. So at some point when I was about entering school, I was about to enter into school. So I was just at my friend's place, so I was thinking of, I had no money then actually, so I was thinking of what I was going to do to start earning money. So first of all, I started up with a YouTube channel, right?
Okay.
The thing just came into my mind. I was like, I started searching. I searched for what people can do online to make money. I saw forex trading, and then meanwhile I've been seeing ads about it, but I didn't get to know what it's all about.
Okay.
So I just started looking into it, understanding it. I started off as an indicator-based trader.
Oh.
Yeah, that was how I started off trading with.
Okay.
And I started making videos of how you can use indicators to be profitable in the market and all that, you understand?
Yeah.
So that was how I got into forex trading.
Okay, makes sense. So were your family in support of the forex trading career?
My family,
Yeah.
my family is in support of it.
Then when you weren't making money though? Because when you weren't making money, when you started, because sometimes some people are their family, once they see the person staying at home just doing nothing and money is not coming in, they'll be like, go work, do that.
Honestly, it wasn't easy there because, especially, I just have to be truthful, right?
Yeah.
Especially my mom. Then my mom was a very, very big, I won't say she was an obstacle, but she was a very, very big, how should I put it? A very, very big tough one for me, right?
Okay.
Because she always see me on the laptop and doing nothing. She'll just be like, I'm just wasting my time and stuff. She wasn't seeing the result of what I was doing then. Nothing at all. Nothing was. Forest hasn't started paying again, so she just tells me a whole lot of things, right?
Wow.
So it wasn't easy.
So how has the journey been so far now? If you were to rate yourself in the success part now from 1 to 100%, where will you rate yourself now? How?
Alright, fine, I will rate myself like 75%.
Wow, makes sense.
Yeah, because I know there are some things like there's some heights I need to attain.
Okay.
Right, yeah.
You got a mentor?
I've got
A mentor?
I've got a mentor. Yeah, I have a mentor. Definitely, you guys know him, right?
Okay.
The GOAT, right? Happy Forex.
Wow.
Happy Forex, yeah. My mentor.
Okay, so since you are now in Lagos, you go visit him, right?
Yeah, sure, I'll go visit Abby, of course, bro.
Makes sense. Okay, so can you give us a little bit of how your strategy works and so our viewers can know more about you and the kind of trader you are too.
All right. Okay. Like this, my strategy of again supply and demand. Right. It's a very systematic way of trading, and any strategy you're using to trade, and that strategy does not have an edge, right? I don't think it will work in a long time, or you won't be profitable using that strategy. So any strategy that has an edge in the market is quite okay. Your mind does have an edge because you need to see some certain things in the market before you can be able to like take a trade. Right, supply and demand is just off of trading with the banks, all those kind of things, right?
Okay.
So yeah, that's how supply. I can't just go into detail how supply, chat work and stuff. Yeah.
So I see some people normally call it SMC or so.
Yeah, smart money concept.
Okay, makes sense. So you got on this in an academy?
Well, back in Enugu, I don't have a physical academy right now.
Okay.
I'm still in an online academy, right? So I mentor people online, yeah.
Okay, so you guys go follow him at JayProfit. Is it JayProfit, right?
That's like
on Instagram.
The username is different from the brand, but you can search JayProfitFX, yeah.
Okay.
On Instagram.
To get to
contact me.
Okay, no problem. So what is the most hardest stuff you have ever faced when starting up your career in forex?
The hardest thing I faced when starting up,
like a challenge, the biggest challenge you ever faced, that apart from our parents and other stuff.
The biggest challenge for me was, first of all, capital. Okay, I won't say capital because I need to understand, I need to learn, I need to know what I'm trying to do. First of all, it was a challenge for me because okay, I was just say light, no light, no light, no steady light. And first of all, you need money to like sub your phone, or sub your laptop, all these kind of things, right? Which is just capital at the end, right? And then at some point, disbelief, right? Yeah, I'll just say disbelief. People never believed in you. They were like, you're doing something different from what they are doing, right? So they never believed in what you're doing. So that kind of thing kind of killed my vibe then. But I just had to like look up to some people, my mentor, Abby Forex, and I was like, man, there's money in this. So I have to push and dig out the money.
Yeah,
so
seriously, guys, he has already he's there already. I don't know why he's rating himself 75. He's already.
No, I just have to rate myself 75 because I believe people believe in. There are some things people believe in, right? But maybe I'm not that kind of person that does that kind of thing they believe in, but right? I'll just give myself 75. Other people's rating will just make it up.
Okay, makes sense. So, do you have any secret that really got you to where you are now?
A secret?
Yeah, sure. Like a blueprint, a step-by-step guide that to get to where you are now.
Okay. Everybody is different, first of all, to start with.
Okay.
Right? My own blueprint was that if I want to achieve something, I like isolation.
Okay.
Yeah, I will isolate myself, avoid myself from any distractions, no matter what's going on, right? And then secondly, the thing there is, I would just say, do what makes you happy.
Wow, makes sense.
Yeah.